Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to do a wire transfer online with Regions Bank. This is a great way to send money quickly and securely, whether you're paying a bill, sending money to a friend or family member, or making a business transaction. Before we get started, let's talk about what a wire transfer is. A wire transfer is a way to electronically transfer money from one bank account to another. It's a fast and secure way to send money, and it's often used for large transactions. Now that we know what a wire transfer is, let's talk about how to do one online with Regions Bank. Step 1. Sign up for Regions Online Banking. If you don't already have a Regions Bank account, you'll need to sign up for online banking. This is a free service that allows you to manage your account online, including making wire transfers. Step 2. Log into your Regions Online Banking account. Once you're logged in, click on the Transfers tab. Step 3. Select Wire Transfer. Under the Transfers tab, you'll see an option for Wire Transfer. Click on this option. Step 4. Enter the recipient's information. You'll need to enter the following information about the recipient: name, address, bank name, bank account number, routing number. Step 5. Enter the amount of the wire transfer. You'll need to enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Step 6. Review and confirm the information. Once you've entered all of the information, review it carefully to make sure it's correct. Step 7. Submit the wire transfer. Once you've reviewed and confirmed the information, you can submit the wire transfer. Additional tips. It's important to note that wire transfers can take a few days to process. You may be charged a fee for making a wire transfer. Make sure you have the recipient's correct bank information before you submit the wire transfer. If you make a mistake when submitting a wire transfer, you can contact Regions Bank to cancel it. Doing a wire transfer online with Regions Bank is a quick and easy way to send money securely. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily make a wire transfer in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.